Ever wondered how to make your party stand out from the rest? Start with a theme. The theme of your party is more than just a fun detail. It sets the tone for the entire event and can make the planning process a breeze. For instance, if you decide on a tropical paradise theme, you already have a blueprint for your decorations, food, and even the dress code. Or perhaps you fancy a retro 80s vibe. This not only gives you an idea for the aesthetics, but also the music playlist. And who wouldn't love a cozy movie night theme? It instantly clues you in on the need for comfy seating, popcorn, and a projector. These are just a few examples, but the possibilities are endless. Remember, a theme doesn't have to be extravagant or complicated. It's just a starting point to make your party cohesive and memorable. Now that you have your theme, it's time to pick a date and time. This is a critical step in the planning process because the date and time you choose can significantly impact who can attend your event. When choosing a date, keep your guests in mind. Is there a day when most people will be available? Weekends usually work best for most, but don't forget to check for any major events or holidays that might clash with your party. The time of your party should align with the vibe you're going for. If you're planning a laid-back afternoon barbecue, a start time around 2 in the afternoon would be perfect. But if you're thinking of a more formal evening cocktail party, you might want to set the start time around 7 in the evening. Choosing the right date and time can make all the difference in ensuring your guests can attend and enjoy the party vibe. Scene script. So you have your theme, date and time. Now who's coming to your unforgettable party? The first thing to consider is the size of your party. If you're planning a cozy get-together, a small group of your closest friends might be perfect. But if it's a grand celebration, you might want to invite a larger crowd. Remember, it's not just about filling the room, but also about creating the right mix of people. Once you've decided on the number, it's time to send out the invitations. You could opt for a traditional approach with printed invites, or perhaps a digital route using social media or invitation apps like Evite. Whichever method you choose, be sure to include all the vital information. Your guests will need to know the theme, date, time, and location. And don't forget any special instructions like dress code or items to bring. Sending out your invites is the first step in getting your guests excited about your party. Make it count. No party is complete without delicious food, right? Let's talk about planning your menu. Picture this. It's your party, and your guests can't stop complimenting the fantastic spread. Sounds dreamy, right? Achieving this is easier than you think. The first step in planning your menu is to consider your theme. If you're going for a tropical paradise, think about serving dishes like grilled pineapple skewers, coconut shrimp, and tropical fruit salad. A cozy movie night might call for popcorn, nachos, and a make-your-own pizza station. Your food can truly enhance your party's atmosphere, so don't be afraid to get creative. Now let's talk about how you're going to get all this food. You've got 3 main options: catering, potluck, or cooking yourself. Catering can be a great choice if you want to save time and effort, but it can be pricey. Potlucks are a fun way to share the cooking responsibilities and try a variety of dishes. If you love to cook, preparing the food yourself can be a rewarding experience. Just make sure you plan ahead so you're not stuck in the kitchen during your party. It's also crucial to think about dietary restrictions. You want everyone to enjoy the food, so ask your guests in advance if they have any allergies or dietary preferences. You can offer a variety of options to cater to different diets, like vegetarian, gluten-free, or dairy-free dishes. One final tip: don't forget about drinks. Whether it's fresh lemonade for a summer barbecue or a signature cocktail for a swanky evening soiree, the right beverages can really enhance your menu. And of course, always have plenty of water available. Remember, the food at your party can be a memorable feature, so take the time to plan a menu that'll have your guests raving. You've got your theme, your guests, and your food. Now, how will you keep everyone entertained? It's a question that's been the downfall of many a party planner, but fear not, because we're here to help you keep that party energy high and the fun flowing. Activities are a crucial part of any party. They help break the ice, spark conversation, and keep your guests engaged. The key is choosing activities that align with your theme and cater to your guests' interests. For instance, if you're throwing a tropical-themed party, why not set up a limbo contest or a tiki torch treasure hunt? Or if you're hosting a retro 80s party, a dance-off to the decade's biggest hits could be a huge hit. But remember, not all activities need to be high energy. It's equally important to have quieter options for guests who prefer to chat or take a moment to relax. Setting up a board game corner or a DIY photo booth can be a great way to cater to different energy levels and interests. And let's not forget about the music. It's the heartbeat of any party. Curate a playlist that complements your theme and keeps the mood upbeat. You could even ask guests for song requests in advance to ensure everyone's favourite tunes are included. Now, if you're thinking, I'm not the creative type, don't worry. There are plenty of resources available online to help you come up with fun, unique activity ideas. Websites like Pinterest or party planning blogs are a treasure trove of inspiration. And remember, the best activities are often the simplest ones. You'd be surprised how much fun a good old-fashioned game of charades or a dance-off can be. So don't underestimate the power of well-planned activities. They can turn a good party into a great one and a great party into an unforgettable one. With the right activities, you'll keep the party energy high and ensure everyone has a blast. Now you're all set to throw an unforgettable party.